Myself Sunila Sachar. I am from Dwarka. I am a teacher in a government school and I had a brain problem last year, but again this time also it was recognized that there is a balloon in my brain, and I came here for test, DSA test, and Dr. Vipul Gupta is a very nice doctor. He is excellent orator, I can say. He explained everything to my husband and to me and to my son, daughter-in-law, and they got satisfied, and he did the coiling, and coiling was done so nicely that within 2 days I recovered.
Mrs. Sunila Sachar had presented to another hospital with severe headache and a small hemorrhage in her brain. At that time, the angiography somehow could not detect the real reason, which was because one of the blood vessels in the brain had dissected, had burst and become swollen, which is something known as aneurysm. Her kind of aneurysm is known as dissecting aneurysm. She again had headaches and came to us. Our investigations have revealed that the dissecting aneurysms are difficult to treat, and after careful evaluation, we have decided to perform coiling procedure for the dissecting aneurysm and close the aneurysm and the artery. I am very happy the procedure has gone very well, and she is feeling absolutely normal and can go back to normal lifestyle.
I am very much satisfied with his work. His team was very nice. Excellent job done by Dr. Vipul Gupta. I am very much thankful to this hospital. This hospital is very nice, very good hospitality from all the services, and I literally thank Dr. Vipul Gupta and his team members for making me fit and fine.